What's going on, my fitness seekers all over the world? khp Fitness here to talk about a way to reduce back pain, man. And let me tell you, it's not anything crazy, but there's a lot of science behind it. But it's extremely simple. And I'm gonna go ahead and give you to that right now. Guess what? Stand more. That's all you gotta do. You just have to stand more. Now, we work in a lot of places where sitting is the thing they want you to do. I don't know if it's a situation where it's crowd control. I don't know if it's a situation where they just want you to be nested in this cubicle where you're just not letting the body freaking breathe the way it needs to. Like when it comes to standing, man. Sitting down, in more cases than not, with the screens and everything that we have going on, promote really, really bad posture. So when you're promoting really bad posture, what will happen over time is you're going to be prone to bad posture, you know? So this is something that you can do to go ahead and help with that. It's something that I had to start doing too. Not too long ago with a client of mine, we were doing some stiff leg deadlifts, and the bands do get heavy, believe it or not. But I was tweaked on my left side of my back and my lower area, right in my thoracic extension. Now that's not something that comes from bands. That's something that comes from, you know, training over time and me being very tight in my hip flexors. So what helps with that is being able to stand. And I would notice, because I edit for hours at a time sometimes, and I would notice that when I get up, I move like an old man when I'm getting up and I'm doing the ooh move because I didn't give my back time to breathe. So with that being said, I've modified my way of working when it comes to editing and everything. And I wanted to go ahead and show you guys. So check this out. Here we are. It's nothing fancy. I'll show you it around. I just have everything how I need it when it comes to things, you know? That's how I work. So it's something simple. So I got two tables on top of each other. Just had a little food there. A container and my clothes hamper of clothes I need to do in a little bit. But this allows me at 6'1" to stand and be good so my back isn't constantly hurting me. It's phenomenal. The main things I always get from clients is back pain. That's always one of the main things. If it's not shoulder pain or something, that's usually lower back pain. And I have to work with them for months to help stretch out the hip flexors, get some of that extra fascia to where it's looser. And all of that, a lot of that can be avoided and getting right to the action if there was a situation where we would just stand more and up our posture. It's always the best. You always feel the best when you're standing up, you know? Training like an athlete, you stand up on your feet. That's what athletes do. So if you want to get some of the best performance, you want to be able to have your posture in a good standing point where your shoulders aren't rolled forward, which is putting a lot of tweak on your forced couple relationship. And that's what it basically boils down to. So give this a try, guys. I hope this really, really helped. I'm going to go ahead and be posting this soon. Like I said, a lot of people want the science-based stuff. This is built in science when it comes to it. That we feel better a lot of times when we either lay completely out or standing up. But in more cases than not, you're activating muscle when you're standing, because we do it all the time. Just think about it. We're sitting all the time. We're in the car, we're sitting. We're at our job, we're sitting. We're on the toilet, we're sitting. We lay down, this is technically sitting too, because we're watching our favorite show. Everything that we do, we're sitting. So when you hear a person go as they're getting up, that's something that they're used to doing, but it's nagging pain. And we live really good when it comes to pain, unfortunately, but we gotta stop being able to accept that, guys, all right? So like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification bells. If you want more tips and tricks, as I said before, you guys have a great day. It's not where you train, it's how you train. More band videos coming soon, more nutrition, everything. Hope you guys have a great day. I will talk to you soon.